I am particularly in pain on how our country is being governed and what is currently happening. I am convinced beyond all reasonable doubt that those in government have lost control. And as you can witness, a governor of a state attacked forcefully with the aim to kill and to overthrow the government of Benue State. It has never happened before. Therefore, we urge the authorities, the APC government, headed by President Buhari, to now quickly, let it not be rhetorics, let it not be usual investigation. Let them come out clean and clear to bring those offenders to book. Because as usual, you are tempted to kill a governor of a state and they will announce that they are investigating, and a few minutes or a few days, that will become history. There will be no end to it. Youth leaders, you can see our country sliding into a terrible crisis. We are in deep pain and worried about our country. It is no longer politics. I believe that APC, as a party, should not play politics with this. It is no longer, issue of security is no longer politics. There have been previous attempts to kill my governor. And this is the second attempt to kill the governor of Benue State. And we are talking about politics. It's no longer politics. This is a brutal government. We urge the leaders of our country, the past presidents, the religious bodies, our clerics, both the Muslim and the Christian leaders of our country, the traditional rulers of our country, to quickly convoke the National Security Conference, because the country is dying. People are being killed on a daily basis.